Google Pixel May 8th be more compact with smaller display. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Get ready for a more compact and user-friendly experience with the Google Pixel 8. Compared to the 6.3-inch display of the Pixel 7, rumor has it that Google might shrink the screen size down a notch in the upcoming Pixel 8. While the Pixel 7's display size doesn't quite fit the compact phone category, it stands out against competitors like the Galaxy S23 and iPhone 14 models. According to industry insider Ross Young, Google is considering a 6.16-inch panel for the Pixel 8, a slight decrease from the Pixel 7's display. However, the larger Pixel 8 Pro is expected to maintain its 6.7-inch panel. It's still unclear how this change will impact the overall dimensions of the device. Some speculate that Google might introduce thinner bezels and more subtle curves, resulting in a sleeker design with rounded corners and edges. But, as always, we'll have to wait for the official release to see the full extent of these changes. As we eagerly anticipate the announcement of the Pixel 8 Duo in October 2023, we can also look forward to Google's I/O Developer Conference in May. The event is set to unveil the Pixel 7a and Pixel tablet, followed by their official release in either June or July. Additionally, there's buzz about the possible launch of the Pixel Fold alongside the Pixel 8 series, further expanding Google's innovative and exciting range of smartphones. So, get ready to be wowed by Google's upcoming lineup, as they continue to push the boundaries in smartphone design and technology. Which Google Pixel phone are you looking forward to the most this year? Tell us in the comments, we look forward to hearing your thoughts. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.